Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to see how to create those grammar materials and allow you to work on them on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and open up week 4 weekly work. And there's grammar, parts of speech. So you see we have the intro to parts of speech. It's a little simpler. And you've watched the first video, and now you're watching number 2, how to use the article and noun material. And number 3 is create parts of speech materials. So if I click on that, it'll open this up. Now once this is open, it's going to give me these slides, but I can't edit them. I can't do anything with them. I need to make my own copy. So I'm going to tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen and go down to Share and Export. Select that, and at the very bottom of that list, make a copy. Now it's going to make a new copy, my own copy that I can edit, I can experiment with it, and I can submit this as my work when I'm done. And it's just kind of a fun way to get to do this work. So let's take a look at the work now. It says article and noun. The article for the first one here is a table, is the noun. The article is an. The noun is egg. Article is the. Noun is computer. Remember, a and an are not specific. The is real specific, like the iPad. You're talking about something very specific. Some other, let's see here. So now it's a chance for you to experiment. Look around your room. Do you see any nouns? Do you see any things that you can describe, or people, or places? I might say, see, looking around my office, I might say I'm going to delete that question mark, and then I might go over to here and say the mug. I have a mug in my office, the mug. So to start with, see if you can fill in the rest of these spaces in this table, the rest of these rows, with your own articles and your own nouns. Pretty simple. When you're done with that, on the left side, go to slide 2. See, there's 2 slides up here. I can switch between them. Slide 2 is a little bit more fun. It has these boxes with room for symbols and writing. So in the first box, it says, delete this message and place your symbols here above the matching part of speech. Below that, it says, delete this message and write your words here. Let's start with our words first. So I'm going to come in here, delete that out, and put in some words. I'll use the example I just used. I'm going to say the. I'm going to leave a whole bunch of spaces here. The mug. I'm leaving lots of space so there's room for my symbols. I'm going to get rid of that period. I didn't like that. And I'm going to even go in front of this and add some spaces too. The mug. See how I've spaced those out? See if you can do that too. It'll just make it kind of easier. I'm going to come in here now and delete out those words like it says. Follow those instructions. Now, on your left side here, you see you've got some light blue triangles, those are articles, and some big black triangles, those are nouns. Those you can grab and drag over. So for example, I can take this light blue triangle and drag it over to my box here and put my symbol for my article above the word the, because the is an article. And mug is a noun, so I need this black triangle over here above the word mug. There, I've symbolized the word, the phrase, the mug. That's all there is to it. Can you fill the rest of the boxes with your own words? Can you be silly or creative? But follow the rule of putting the article and then the noun. That's all there is to it. When you're done with this, you can select those 3 little dots on the top right again, go to Share and Export, and send a copy. Right in the middle there, send a copy. You can send it as a PDF, just hit OK. It's going to ask you where you want to send it to. You can copy it to Schoology and turn it right in to this assignment. See on the top it says Submit to Assignment. Select that. You'll find elementary, week 4. Just find this assignment and submit it right to that. Something else you can do is just take a screenshot of your work when you're done and submit your screenshot. Either of those are fine. All right, well, good luck with this. Let me know if you have any questions and have fun. It's pretty cool work.